Hello everyone, this is Casey and Jen from SSCH company. When you receive our 5 million pixel iriscope, please do next step. You will see a metal case inside the paper carton. When you open the case, you can see a base support. You can put the hand side on the support. You will find a lens for eyes inside the support. Then there is a golden or blue software key for running the software. There is a CD inside software and training video. One warranty card. There is ideology chart on the bottom of case. Hello everyone, this is Casey and Jen again from SSCH company. We will introduce how to install and use the 5 million pixel iriscope. First step, take out the CD and insert to computer. We suggest you copy all film inside CD and paste them on your desktop of computer. Now please run the installation software. When you see user account control, please click yes. Next. Yes. Finish. Now you will see the software icon. Now please run the driver's film. Click yes. When you see this interface, please insert iriscope into computer. Our iriscope need to connect to 2.0 USB port or higher USB port. You can connect the gyroscope with computer or connect. Gyroscope with the base support. Click next. Then restart computer. Finish. Now our computer start again. Please insert the software dongle into computer. You will see the light is on. Please run the software. Choose user and the password is 111111. Choose iris. The driver is on the right top. There are 4 buttons. The button is for turn on and turn off both lights together. Okay. The right button is for turn on one light. The left button is for turn on both lights. The round button is for capture. And the rotation button. The rotation button is for focus. Forward and backward focus. Okay, if you want more details on operation, please see other videos. Thank you.